What's up, guys? It's King here with Backbodymystery doing a review on a Killer Clown from Outer Space 35th Anniversary Collector's Funko box. This box got about 6 pieces in here. We're going to open this up and check this out. I remember when this movie came out, I think it was like late 80s or 1988, I believe, when this came out. It was about clowns that landed in a small town and they were blending in with the community, but they were murderous clowns. And I remember one of the scenes where they came to the door with a pizza and they zapped the lady and turned her into cotton candy. So this is the front here, that is the side, and the back is the same. A lot of cushion. The first item is going to be the blaster that they use. If you go back and you watch the movie, it's a scene where they came to the door and they blast the lady and it was delivering pizza. Check that out. Some pins. These are the 4 clowns that are in the movie running around murdering people. I think this was my favorite one. He was one of the ones that used to pop up everywhere. I think he popped outside of the pizza box. This is the first pop. This is Spiky here. Out there. I'm gonna take care of this box here. Check him out there. Yeah, he's pretty bright on the colors. The next pop is gonna be Slim. Alright, it's pretty cool. Check him out. Alright. Jumbo. Alright, he got the hamburger and he got it behind his back. And he got his little goodie bag in the front. Alright. Last one is Shorty. Alright. Come in some nice boxes. Alright. Shorty, that's one of my favorite ones. Running amok. We got Shorty, Jumbo, Spike, and then Slim. We have the pins here. All right, let me know what you guys think. Go check out the movie. Really old movie, you'll like it. Subscribe and slap all notifications.